Hello people, it's Azan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you a new IDO project named as Moonpad. So let's get started. So the first interface looks quite classic to me. It's a Moonpad is the best IDO platform for Binance Smart Chain. Moonpad will empower cryptocurrency project with ability and to distribute token and raise liquidity. So here is the option to join pools. Let's have a look. So here is some information. I will go through it later. Let me show you what Moonpad is. Moonpad is the best decentralized IDO platform for Binance Smart Chain. Moonpad will empower crypto project with the ability to distribute token and increase liquidity. So basically they would lock the liquidity, which will decrease the chances of rug pull. So they say, why choose us? Moonpad has found a solution to incentivize and reward all token holder in a way that is inclusive with a low barrier to entry. The fundamental flaws of existing launchpad is that acquiring enough token to participate in the ecosystem is prohibitive. And even if you do hold the token, you are not guaranteed an allocation spot. They are based on a first come first service basis where automated bots can fill the whitelist spot in a matter of seconds. Moonpad is creating fair decentralized launches. The hallmark of the Moonpad is a two-round system that makes every tier level guaranteed an allocation. There is no luck and no lotteries and no bots, only fair distributed rewards for all participants. So that's nice. Let's go through the tokenomics. So the total supply would be 300 million. The platform development will get 10% of the tokens, which would be locked for 1 year. And for marketing and advisor, they have kept 6%. For partnership, they have 8% variable access time. The public sale would get the 48% of the all tokens, which are 300 million. And for private sale, there would be 12%, 30% would be released, 30% released after 30 days, and 40% released after 60 days. In liquidity, 16% tokens would be locked. So fair and accessible capital for everyone. The fair distribution, which would be the IDO project on Moonpad, have allocation that are 100% fair and given out based on the quality and the quantity of MPAD a user stakes. It's that simple. So MPAD would be their ticker, and the guaranteed allocation. Gone are the games of who can click a button for first, of which bot can swipe the pools the quickest. Allocation will be given to anyone and everyone based on their two-tiered auction system. Fully decentralized. Moonpad is governed by a DAO to determine the future of Moonpad and pricing of tiers for pools. They have big aspiration for future, and the community is invited to help them democratize the fundraising. So there are 4 cards of theirs, which is first class, business class, premium class, and comfort class. Let's have a look at what it is. So Moonpad uses a tiering based system based on number of MPAD token on each member owns. In a group, each person allocated and guaranteed benefit as well as have the right to vote to decide the group. However, those who own a larger number of MPAD will have a higher decision proportion and vice versa. So with a simple process, MPAD will make every choice fairer and more transparent. So are you ready to pick a suitable ticket class and fly to the moon with them yet? So here they have mentioned some YouTubers that have taken notice of Moonpad. It says the future of DeFi. So I've clicked the join our pools. Let's have a look there. So Moonpad token is the name of the token, MPAD is the ticker. This IDO will launch in 5 days. As you can see the time here, and the token sale will start, and the total amount that would go to the token sale would be 36 million. As for private sale, the price is like 1 BNB is equal to 48,000 MPAD. That's for the private sale, and then in private sale they have mentioned 36 million MPAD tokens. Minimum contribution is 0.1 BNB. As for maximum contribution, 10 BNB is available there. The soft cap is 250 250 BNB, the hard cap is 750 BNB. So I like that they have mentioned 10 BNB because it will decrease the chances of whales in the community. So start date would be May 24 and it would end on May 26. It's for the private sale, by the way. I've gone through this. They're like 30% release, 30% released after 30 day, 40% released after 60 day. Okay, so as for the public sale, there are 144 million ampere available, in which the 1 BNB is equal to 28,800 ampere. Minimum contribution here would be 0.1 BNB. The maximum contribution goes for 30 BNB. Soft cap would be 1500 BNB and the hard cap would be 5000 BNB. The start date would be May 27 and the end date would be June 3. So that was up for the website. As I have told you that what is Moonpad, it's an IDO platform on Binance Smart Chain. Let's have a look at their social media, because social media shows that what is this project up to and what is it going to do next. Starting with their Twitter is named as Moonpad. They have 48 tweets, 34k followers. That's for a starty, and a newbie project, it's a lot. I've gone through a lot of projects and they didn't have that much follower, which was even started. But their last post was 1 hour ago, in which they say, we are pleased to announce our exclusive AMA with Bull Crypto. So they are doing an AMA with Bull Crypto. And before that 6 hours ago, and before that 8 hours ago, which gets a lot likes and retweets. So people are taking a lot of interest in this Moonpad because they know that it's the best opportunity for them to go get into crypto and get Lambo. As for Telegram, this is a community group where more than 24,000 members are available. This is for community. You can talk to their admins. Join it and clear your doubts. Stay updated with the project, that what is coming next. And as for Moonpad channel, there are more than 20,000 subscribers. This is a news channel, so they will do their announcement there. As for their YouTube, they have more than 52,000 subscribers, where they have 5 videos which got a lot of views. And if you want to know more about them, you can watch these videos. They also have a Medium here which you can follow and check out their blogs and clear your technical details, etc. So they also have a Reddit page where they do their announcements, and you can follow them there, and just click follow and you will follow, and you can stay updated with them and what are they announcing next and what are they going to do next. As for Facebook, they have more than 27,000 followers, in which they posted 4 hours ago, and yeah, they are very updated on their Facebook too. So as for social media, they are very updated there. If you want to follow them there, they are very transparent. You can do that. As for their roadmap, let's have a look. So as for Q1 2021, they would do their beginning, which they already did: complete white paper, website design, project planning, building project office. So they did that. As for Q2, let's see what they are going to do. So finishing and launch first IDO on Moonpad, which I guess there was 5 days remaining there. Complete audit and launch platform partnerships, listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Nice. Listing on PancakeSwap, private sale and public sale, second party audit to ensure objectivity and transparency, website launching, and launchpad on Binance Smart Chain Network. Listing on PancakeSwap is a good idea because PancakeSwap is like, here you buy the coin. As for Binance Smart Chain Network, it's very nice because the gas fees is low there, better than Ethereum gas. So in Q3, they would do their development, central exchange listings, launch Moonpad Capital investment fund, introduce and attract investment capital. So on Q4, they would do their expansion of the IDO platform, which is a new bridge for projects under ERC20 Sonala networks. Test, evaluate, and budget for at least 5 potential startups on the Binance Smart Chain Network. I like it personally, and I may look forward to invest in it because it's nice. So if you want to invest in it, there are 5 days remaining in private sale. After that, the public sale will start and you can invest in that too. They are launching PancakeSwap, so you can just swap it for any major cryptocurrency you have, collect your wallet and swap it for yourself. If you want to do more research, I will leave the website link of Moonpad in the description box, where you can check it out for yourself, because research is the part of investment and everything you do. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decryptist, where we would bring you some more hidden projects from the crypto arena. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.